know what it is. I'm in Cali with the ice on. Hottest young in the live, $1 billion baby entertainment. Hottest label ever in the world. Yeah, sir. The rich youngin'. Shout out my nigga Joey, y'all eat fucking niggas. 3-4 times out right now. Here we go. Oh, a lot of kush. Lots of kush. Lots of kush. Yeah, man, lots of kush. Voodoo?
Yeah, Voodoo. What's up?
What's up, bro? Can I get a picture?
Hell yeah. I make beats. I can send you some beats, bro. I got the hardest shit. You know my dog? I got a bunch of people out in Atlanta. I'm trying to come up. I go to school. I'm studying astrophysics.
These are my finger bitch full time.
Barry not pulling up on y'all niggas.
Yeah.
Barry not pulling up on y'all
That shit,
niggas.
man. Full time, man. Slip shit.
That's my whole, I done left the cash register for you and everything. You already know what's going on. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all too.
Oh my God. Hold on.
Greensboro store.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you know you're
Rich youngin', you know what's going on. Big 4 times. Hottest youngin' alive.